Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the new topic, that is the kinematics. What is meant by the kinematics? What is the use of the kinematics? Why we are studying the kinematics? All these things we are going to discuss in this topic. Before going to discuss about the kinematics, first we go for the mechanics. What is meant by the mechanics and the classification of the mechanics? What is meant by the mechanics? Here the definition of the mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of physics which deals with the motion of the bodies. Then the mechanics can be classified into three types. One is the classical mechanics, quantum mechanics, and statistical mechanics. Now in this episode we are not going to discuss about the quantum mechanics and statistical mechanics. We are going to discuss about the kinematics, classical mechanics. In this classical mechanics we go for the kinematics. In that kinematics, what do you mean by the kinematics? Kinema means motion. Kinematics, motion of the bodies, either a straight line. Now, but in the motion of the bodies in kinematics, which we are not going to discuss about the without cause of the motion. For example, the body moving, but what is the main cause of that motion we don't want. But we are going to study about the motion of the body. Next, the classical mechanics. First classification is the kinematics. Next one is the dynamics. Dynamics also we are going to study about the motion of the bodies. But in the second case, we are going to discuss about what is the main cause of that motion. For example, the body is moving. What is the main reason behind that the body is moving? All those things which we are going to discuss about the dynamics. Now in the kinematics, before going to discuss about the kinematics means the motion of the bodies, but we are not considering any cause of that motion. Now what is meant by the rest and what is meant by the motion? First we are going to discuss about these two definitions. Rest, the body does not change its position with respect to the surroundings, that we call as a rest. The body does not change its position with respect to the surroundings, that we call as a rest. For example, we are taking any body in the state of rest. For example, inside the classroom, for example, which we are consider one classroom, all the benches, blackboard, the students sitting inside the class, all those are in the rest. They are not moving anywhere with respect in their surroundings. They all are in rest. Now, for example, one more example which we are considering. For example, train is there. We are sitting inside the train. The train is moving, but the passengers sitting inside the train, all those are in the state of rest with respect to the surroundings of the compartment and surroundings to the beside person. Now we go for the next definition, that is the motion. What is meant by the motion? Now here motion means the body changes its position with respect to the surroundings, that we call as a motion. Once again, see the definition of the motion. The body changes its position with respect to the surroundings, that we call as a motion. Best example which we have to see, whatever the example which we consider in the previous case, the person sitting inside the train, the person is in the state of motion with respect to the outside surroundings of the train, means not with respect to the compartment, outside the, for example, with respect to the platform. Then the person is in the state of which one? The person is in the state of motion with respect to the rail track, with respect to the observers sitting inside the sitting on the compartment. Not sorry,